Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. It's Friday and I'm wearing a Christmas sweater. This is a sweater that I actually got probably like 5 years ago from Savers, before the whole like ugly Christmas sweater trend was real. I've just loved Savers and I've loved sweaters, festive sweaters. So I'm wearing this to work today. And I actually have 2 holiday parties in one day today. Am I a party animal? But it's like, I'm wearing this sweater to my work holiday party, but it's not even like an ugly sweater party. They didn't even tell anyone to dress festive. I'm just doing this and I'm gonna be the only one in festive attire, I'm sure. But going along with that Christmas theme, I feel like this is Christmas morning because of this package that I have right here. So if you've been following my channel at all, you probably know that I am obsessed with the brand LA Colors. I've done so many reviews on LA Colors products. They're some of my favorite products. I get them at the Dollar Tree and I'm just obsessed with LA Colors. And guess what? LA Colors reached out to me to partner with me on a video. When they reached out to me, I think that was one of the happiest moments I've ever felt. I wanted to happy cry, but I had to contain myself. And it's like the perfect round out to this year for me, this year of YouTube. I reached 5,000 subscribers, which was a big goal of mine. And I got my first like favorite big makeup company to reach out to me. And I'm just so excited. I'm so like driven to continue with the YouTube success next year. But so I want to do a little unboxing of this box because I can't wait to see what they sent me. Okay, I'm unboxing. By the time this vlog goes up, I will have already posted my video. So I'll have that linked down below if you want to see that. Ooh, this is securely packaged. Okay, we got this black box. This feels like a real PR box. Okay. Oh my gosh! Are you kidding me? Look at all this. Look at all this. Oh my gosh. These are some of my favorite lashes. Oh, the macaroon cookie lip stuff. I've tried that before. We've got blenders. I didn't even know that they made blenders. Lip gloss, nail polish. Ooh, stick-on nails. I definitely love stick-on nails because I don't paint my nails. A brow kit? Oh my gosh. I've been needing a brow kit. Okay, there's so much in here. I am so excited. Oh. This is seriously Christmas morning for me. I am so happy. Hi everyone. It's Monday and it wasn't too bad of a work day for me, but as you can see behind me, I just went grocery shopping and I love watching grocery hauls. So I wanted to film what I got, especially because I just did a huge purchase. I had been meaning to go to the grocery store for weeks and I just hadn't gotten around to it. I hadn't had the time, hadn't had the energy, and tonight I went, which means I didn't get home until after 8 o'clock, which, as you know, was like my bedtime. But so it had to be done. The grocery haul that you're about to see is pretty indulgent for me. There's a lot of unhealthy things in here, but I'm gonna just keep it real and show you what I got. Also, I got, keeping it really real, the Burger King Impossible Whopper for dinner because I knew I wasn't gonna want to cook or have time because I was going to be getting home so late. And I'm just obsessed with them. And if you go on the Burger King app, which yeah, I have the Burger King app, they have a lot of really good discount deals right now on the Impossible Whopper. So that also really kind of persuaded me to go there because I love a deal, which is also why I do all of my grocery shopping at BJ's Wholesale Club because I just love getting a deal. So let me show you what I got. And okay, I know this is so excessive, especially when I'm shopping for just myself, but here we go. We got some frozen broccoli, frozen chicken nuggets, frozen sausage. These are both vegan, vegetarian versions. Some frozen pizza. I did get that to share with James because it's just easy to get frozen pizzas when he comes over. Got some kombucha from my sister. I love these individual hummus packs, and I got tofu for the first time. I've never made tofu on my own, but I like it, but I have really no idea how to make it or any recipes. So if you have any recommendations for tofu recipes, let me know. I also got ingredients here. This is to make more cookie dough cheesecake. I need the sour cream to do that as well. I got shredded cheese because I'm going to be making quiche. Stocking up on pasta sauce. I got a bunch of these chopped pre-made salad kits, which I love. Those are really delicious, really easy. Some potatoes, carrots. I love pasta salad and potato salad, so I did splurge and got those. Actually, speaking of splurge, this is the most giant tub of cookie dough ever, but it was only $9, which I feel like is a deal considering how big it is. But I needed it for my cookie dough cheesecakes that I'm making for Christmas. I got some bagels. I got some more ground coffee, but they didn't have any organic ground coffee, but it's not the end of the world. I got some Lindt chocolates because I'm giving those out as gifts to people I work with. I also got this really nice wine for my boss at work. And I got this really nice Chardonnay for my mom for Christmas. My mom, she's not even picky with wine. She would have been happy if I got her like the $10 bottle, but I wanted to get her something nice. So that's my grocery haul.
People minds apply destruction. Sorcerers, that's destruction. In the fields, the bodies burning. As the war machine keeps turning. Death and hatred to mankind. Poisoning their brainwashed eyes. Oh no, Jack!
Bottles for my bar cart. I'm up in North Conway, New Hampshire with my family for a little weekend vacation. It's really fun to come up here in the wintertime because it's so pretty, and we're at the outlets right now, and they just put in a Kate Spade outlet right there behind me, and I'm so excited to go there.
Long day shopping. Now watching the Patriots game at a nice bar. My sister. You want to be in it? Cheers. Cheers. Spicy pineapple marg? Coconut pineapple marg.
Just realized why hotel rooms are the best part of vacation is because when else can you hang out in a bed as comfortable as can be while you drink wine and get to socialize with your family or friends, whoever's there. Like, that's why I love hotel rooms and I spend so much time in the bed.
Me too.
We're at Zeb's Old Country Store. I love this place. So many great candies, sodas, gifts.
Yes, be a vlog star. I have to vlog Vermont Nut Free Chocolate because it's the best thing ever for my peanut allergy. Do you like Vermont Nut Free Chocolate?
I love it. It's amazing.
And then I'm getting fudge for the first time. I'm so excited. All the different chocolates. They're so good. Even if you don't have a nut allergy, they're so good.
Very nice to meet you. Please come in and take a stroll through our village. Do you recognize the song that's singing?
Ooh, an upside down tree.
So I'm going to end my vlog here because it is Sunday, December 22nd, and I want to get this video up before Christmas because I want to start a new vlog that has all of my Christmas festivities and what I do for Christmas. But I had such a great time going up to North Conway, New Hampshire this weekend with my family as a really fun little getaway. Great food, great shopping, so that was awesome. I'm really excited to have a short work week this week because of Christmas. I get Christmas Eve and Christmas off, but I am working tomorrow, that Monday, then I'll be working again the day after Christmas, and then Friday, so only a 3-day work week, which I'm pretty happy about. But I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next vlog.